I didn't make an intro. I forgot. But by the title, you can tell that I am really reorganizing my closet. I'm cleaning my room and reorganizing my closet, but my closet takes up the majority of the video. So enjoy, enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. You know what to do. You know what to do. Everything is in the description box. So yeah, enjoy.
Burn away our carbon beam, knock your lens off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand off. Hit him in the spot. Knock your dreads off. My what is called a body. I didn't name them red the most. Dugging in my Reeboks. Ride with a G-Shock. I heard he shot. Truck will make a beatbox. He made that shot turn. Roll this bottle, pepper car. I don't mind. Jerk will make a beatbox. In Miami with my motherfucking heat. Another nigga bitch. Says she got a feet. I walked in the party. I'm on my big throw shit, ready to get it started. Bitch, I got no sense. Oh, hit the plug. Ride around with me. Call me 24. Can't fuck with her no more. That little bitch, she do the most. I get the groove on. Yeah, I'm a stealing folks. Burn away our carbon beam, knock your lens off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand off. Hit him in the spot. Knock your dreads off. My what is called a body. I didn't name them red the most. Dugging in my Reeboks. Ride with a G-Shock. I heard he shot. Truck will make a beatbox. He made that shot turn. Roll this bottle, pepper car. I don't mind. Jerk gon' make a beatbox. In Miami with my motherfucking heat. Another nigga bitch. Says she got a feet. I walked in the party. I'm on my big throw shit. Burn away our carbon beam, knock your lens off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand off. Hit him in the spot. Knock your dreads off. My what is called a body. I didn't name them red the most. Dugging in my Reeboks. Ride with a G-Shock. I heard he shot. Truck will make a beatbox. He made that shot turn. Roll this bottle, pepper car. I don't mind. Jerk gon' make a beatbox. In Miami with my motherfucking heat. Another nigga bitch. Says she got a feet. I walked in the party. I'm on my big throw shit, ready to get it started. Bitch, I got no sense. Oh, hit the plug. Ride around with me. Call me 24. Can't fuck with her no more. That little bitch, she do the most. I get the groove on. Yeah, I'm a stealing folks. Burn away our carbon beam, knock your lens off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand off. Hit him in the spot. Knock your dreads off. My what is called a body. I didn't name them red the most.
Okay, so basically the plan is to take these two bins out and replace them with this. And I'm gonna try to put some of these clothes in that bin as well.
Burn away all carbon beam, knock your lens off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand off. Hit him in the spot. Knock your dreads off. My what is called a body. I didn't name them Randy Moss. Dugging in my Reeboks. Ride with a G-Shock. I heard he shot. Truck will make a beatbox. He made that shot. Tongue. Roll his bottle.
So this is much harder than anticipated. I'm about to reorganize my hanging clothes because usually what I do is I put my longer stuff here and then I put my shorter stuff over here, like my crop tops and stuff. I think I need another storage bin, or I just need to get rid of some more stuff. So yeah, that's the update. Oh, and also I'm gonna move some of my crop tops and t-shirts onto my clothing rack since it's spring/summer now. So I'm gonna put some out so I can put them on my clothing rack. And I'm gonna take these hoodies off of it.
Burn away all carbon beam, knock your lens off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand off. Hit him in the spot. Knock your dreads off. My what is called a body. I didn't name them Randy Moss. Dugging in my Reeboks. Ride with a G-Shock. I heard he shot. Truck will make a beatbox. He made that shot. Tongue. Roll his bottle. Pepper coffee. I don't mind. Just gon' make a beatbox. In Miami with my motherfucking heat. Another nigga bitch. Said she got a feet. I walked in the party. I'm on my big bullshit. Ready to get it started. Bitch, I got no sense. Oh, hit the plug. Ride around with me. Call me 24. Can't fuck with her no more. Why the bitch she do the most? I get the groove on. Yeah, I'm a steal folks. Burn away all carbon beam, knock your lens off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand off. Hit him in the spot. Knock your dreads off. My what is called a body. I didn't name them Randy Moss. Dugging in my Reeboks. Ride with a G-Shock. I heard he shot. Truck will make a beatbox. He made that shot.
Ooh. So I'm about to take a break from that because that's very tiring. I'm about to work on my t-shirts and my pants. Those top two drawers are for my t-shirts and my pants, and I'm gonna make the t-shirt drawer like a t-shirt and pajama drawer so I can get rid of some of these bins over here by my door. I'm tired. So basically what I'm going to do is take the pants and t-shirts that I don't get to wear often off of this part and put them in the drawers, you know? Okay. Good talk.
Burn away all carbon beam, knock your lens off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand off. Hit him in the spot. Knock your dreads off. My what is called a body. I didn't name them Randy Moss. thugging in my Reeboks. Ride with a G-Shock. I heard he shot. Truck will make a beatbox. He made a shot tongue. Roll this bottle, pepper car. I don't mind. Jerk will make a beatbox. In Miami with my motherfucking heat. Another little bitch says she got a feet. I walked in the party. I'm on my big throw shit. Ready to get it started. Bitch, I got no sense. Oh, hit the plug. Ride around with me. Call me 24. Can't fuck with her no more. That little bitch, she do the most. I get the groove on. Yeah, I'm a stealing folks. Burn away our carbon beam, knock your lens off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand off. Hit him in the spot. Knock your dreads off. My what is called a body. I didn't name them Randy Mouse. Thugging in my Reeboks. Ride with a G-Shock. I heard he.
So this is what my shows are looking like so far. And I'm saving this space because I bought a bunch of new jeans, but my camera's about to die, so yeah. Okay, so this is my room after a couple of days. That is for my desk. I have to reorganize my desk, but that's another project for another day. I'll probably put it in a vlog or something, but I didn't vacuum. Still have more laundry. I literally always have laundry to wash. But this is probably my favorite little corner. It's so cute. Sorry guys, I can't breathe today. I had three of these little fur bins, and I took one out and I just have it like that. Have this little teddy bear my boyfriend bought me, and this thing that he got me for anniversary, my record player. But yeah, this is